Yes. See, I am Raghavan, chemistry faculty from Allfords College. So I welcome you all for the Allfords chemistry learning classes, session 15. In the last session we completed, that means we had some numericals on Bohr's theory, that is radius. Okay. Now today let us see some numericals based on the energy of the electron in the Bohr's orbit. Okay. Right. According to Bohr's theory, we understand that as the number of orbits increases, size increases as well as energy of the orbit also increases. That means energy of the electron in the orbit also increases. So, but the energy difference between the successive orbits gradually decreases. So the theory part that we understand. Okay, now let us work out some numericals based on energy and velocity of the electron also. Okay, so we have done the numerical based on radius. Okay, now let us write a numerical based on velocity. Calculate the velocity of electron in centimeter per second. Okay, let us write here, calculate velocity of electron, in centimeters per second. Okay, in centimeters per second. In Bohr's third orbit, okay, in Bohr's third orbit of hydrogen atom, okay, that is we can calculate velocity of the electron in the third orbit of hydrogen atom, okay, and also calculate the number of revolutions, and also calculate number of revolutions per second made by the electron revolving around the nucleus. Okay, so and also see what is the question here. Calculate velocity of electron in centimeters per second in third orbit of hydrogen atom. Okay, and also calculate the number of revolutions made by the electron around the nucleus per second. Okay, that is we have to calculate velocity of the electron, that is one, and the number of revolutions. So two things we have to determine in this problem. Okay, now the velocity of the electron formula, velocity of the electron, that is 2 pi z e square by nh. Velocity of the electron is equals to 2 pi z e square by nh. Okay, that is velocity of the electron in the orbit is given by the formula like this. So velocity of the electron where? In third orbit. Okay, now velocity of the electron in the third orbit, that is 2 into 3.14 into z, hydrogen atom 1, e square, charge on the electron 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 10 ESU, because so we are considered in the CGS units charge of the electron because it is asking in centimeters per second. Next n, third orbit is asking, so third orbit n is equals to 3 and h value in CGS units, okay, 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 27 ergs. Okay, so now this is E square, right? So 2 pi z e square by nh. So this is velocity of the electron, okay, velocity of the electron in the third orbit, velocity of the electron in the third orbit of hydrogen atom. This is a substitution. Okay. So on simplifying this, we will get the answer, that is velocity of the electron in the third orbit of hydrogen atom. Okay. Now similarly, the number of revolutions made by the electron around the nucleus per second. Number of revolutions formula, that is number of revolutions is equals to 4 pi square mz square e to the power 4. Number of revolutions, that is equals to 4 pi square m z square e to the power 4 by n cube and h cube. So the derivation part already we explained, that is we had the derivation part we already done. Okay, so now it is number of revolutions. Number of revolutions per second. Number of revolutions per second, that is 4 pi square m z square e to the power 4 by n, that is n cube and h cube. So now let us substitute the data. Okay, that is 4 into pi square, that is 3.14 square into mass of the electron. See, mass of the electron 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 grams, 10 to the power minus 28 grams into Z square, atomic number of hydrogen, it is 1. Okay, next E, charge of the electron, that is 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 10, that is, it is power 4 by n cube and h cube, n cube into h cube. N is equals to, he is asking in third orbit, so that is 3 cube into h cube, that is Planck's constant value, 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 27 whole cube. So this is the substitution of for number of revolutions per second. Okay, so number of revolutions per second, that is after all calculations of this, on solving this, 2.42 into 10 to the power 14, 2.42 into 10 to the power 14, that is number of revolutions. Number of revolutions per second. Number of revolutions per second. Okay, that is equals to this much. Okay, and this, the simplification of this is, the simplification of that is velocity of the electron in the third orbit of hydrogen atom. Velocity of the electron in third orbit of hydrogen atom, that is 7.27 into 10 to the power 7. He is asking centimeters per second. Centimeters per second. Okay, that is velocity of the electron in the third orbit of hydrogen. Okay, once again the question: calculate velocity of electron in centimeters per second in third orbit of hydrogen atom. Okay, third orbit of hydrogen atom. Okay, and also calculate number of revolutions per second. Okay, in the same hydrogen atom only. Okay, hydrogen atom. This is velocity of the electron formula. Okay, so to understand the velocity of the electron, that is V is equals to 2 pi Z E square by NaH. So 2 pi value 3.14, Z for atomic number of hydrogen is 1, and E square, that is charge of the electron. So charge of the electron expressed in coulombs as well as in ESU. So that is in CGS units. So therefore charge of the electron 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 10. Okay, whole square, that is E square by NH. Orbit number is 3 and Planck's constant value is 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 27 Ergs. So the velocity of the electron is calculated 7.27 into 10 to the power 7 centimeters per second. Okay, that is velocity of the electron. Next, that is calculate the number of revolutions he is asking. Number of revolutions. So number of revolutions, that is equals to, number of revolutions, that is equals to, this is the brief description for the formula. So that is 4 pi square m z square e to the power 4 by n cube and h cube. Okay, 4 pi square m, mass of the electron, should remember it is in grams, 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 grams, not in kgs. Okay, so mass of the electron, that is Z, atomic number of hydrogen. Okay, charge of the electron in CGS units as we have taken in the previous. Okay, same, to the power 4 by n cube and h cube. Okay, on solving this So the number of revolutions per second of the electron in third orbit, that is equals to 2.42 into 10 to the power 14. Okay, that is number of revolutions. Okay, so that we have done. So that is velocity of the electron and number of revolutions. So the two concepts we completed in a single problem. Okay, now